Wow! Oh, wow. That feels amazing. Oh my god! What the? That sounded louder.
There you go. Got a little bit, okay?
Ooh. Wow. Can't do that alone. Gotta go here to Doc Kim.
Let me just close this screen.
I know I have bad posture.
Well, we're gonna verify right now. Okay, so you're gonna stand straight ahead. So I'm looking at your shoulder now. Yeah, your left shoulder is higher than the right shoulder. So we're gonna get that more even today. Is that okay?
Yes.
So look down towards your feet as far as you can. Any pain, tightness, stiffness in your neck, shoulder, back at all, right?
Tightness here.
Yeah, 10 being the worst. What number today out of 10?
A 5.
5 out of 10. Okay, so we want those numbers better.
Okay.
Look up as high as you can. What number is that?
A 5.
5 again. Okay.
Yeah.
Turn your head as far as you can.
This is it.
Pain, tightness, stiffness. Yeah. 10 to be the worst.
Just a 3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay, turn the other way.
Oh, here, yeah. It's a 6.
6. All right, we want that better.
Okay.
Fingers together now. Now we're going to look at your shoulder and back and turn as far as you can. Pain, tightness, stiffness there.
Yeah. My here,
Yeah.
my right side is tight. A 7.
7. Okay, how about the other way?
4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay. We want those others. Sideways now. Run your fingers down your leg this way. We're looking for lower back and hip.
Yeah. It's really tight, like an 8.
8. That's high. Yeah. Out the other way.
6.
6. Okay. A couple more. You're gonna go all the way down as far as you can.
Oh.
Yeah. It's tight.
Very tight, like a 9.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
That's high. Yeah. Yeah. How do you?
It's bad.
Imagine when it's better. Imagine when it's
know.
0 and then you're
I
playing
know.
volleyball. That's
Right?
great. Backwards.
Oh.
What number is that?
8.
8.
Mm.
Okay. We want those numbers better.
Yes.
Simple as that. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Okay. So you're going to go on your stomach here,
Okay.
face to the paper, hands to your sides. Put your hands right here. Is that okay?
Yep.
So we'll put your feet together. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to see if your legs are even first. All right.
Yeah.
So yeah. Let's see.
You want me to take off my shoes?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah. Right leg short.
Mm-hmm.
Did you know that already?
Yeah, through my PT.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's good. So we'll fix that for you.
Okay.
It's about an inch short.
An inch?
Yeah,
That's a lot.
Yeah, over half an inch to an inch. Yeah. So this is rotated. This pelvis causes you like to be short. We'll make that even. Is that okay?
Yes.
Unless you want to keep it even. No, you don't want to keep it even. Just get your shoulders more balanced for it.
Oh, wow.
Good.
Uh-huh. That feels amazing.
Yeah, you need that.
Yeah.
Perfect. This side.
What the? That sounded louder.
Yeah, it's
Oh my god. Oh.
yeah. You needed that years ago,
It feels lighter. Yeah, decades ago though.
decades ago.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Oh my god.
Okay, now lay on your side facing me, please.
Okay.
Yeah, let's help your lower back.
Okay. Okay, so now I feel like a 10.
Mm-hmm.
Pain here.
Let's help that 10. I can't believe you're training and doing all that with a 10.
I know.
So let's get that. A little bit tight. There you go. Got a little bit there, okay?
Doc.
Excellent. Let's keep improving, okay?
Okay.
Excellent. Stay in the middle there. Give yourself a big hug.
Ooh. Wow. Can't do that alone. Gotta go here to Doc Kim.
That should help your shoulders and back and breathing. I didn't know your shoulders
The
and back.
breathing actually. Regularly on a daily basis, I have trouble breathing like a deep breath. Parang constricted yung breathing ko.
Let's improve that right now. You can take a deep breath in now.
Deeper breaths.
Yeah, deeper.
Yeah. Without pain.
Good. All right, let's help your neck.
Whoa! That was loud. But the first one was still louder.
Good.
Really good.
Excellent. Almost.
Oh my god!
Good. All right.
Yeah.
Excellent. One more side this way. We'll get
Okay.
you lazy now.
Good.
Excellent. Face down on your stomach. Let's get you see your laser even. Okay, that's what they call pantay na here in the Philippines.
na?
Yeah.
What do they call it in Cambodia?
Oh, good question. I'll have to look that up.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll come back for your answer.
Yeah. I owe you something for next visit. Yeah. All right. So, come on up. Stand up, please. Yeah. Excellent. Yeah. Stand with your legs like a pre-test would do. Oh, your shoulder came down. Your shoulder's more even.
So this came down.
It came down. Yeah. We'll show them the video.
Yes.
It came down. I see. All right. So we'll do the post test. Look down. What number out of 10 now? That was 5.
I think it's a 2.
60% better. Down to 2. Good. Up as high as you can. That was 5.
A 2.
Excellent. 60% already. Turn your head. That was 6.
To the left?
Yeah.
6?
What number is that?
2.
2. Okay. Hold the other way.
Oh wow.
3. That was
Yeah.
3. What number is that?
2.
2.
I know, but like that. This one is like less stiff than
Excellent.
at the start.
Okay. Good. Fingers together. Turn. What number is that? That was 7.
No way! 3!
Over 50%.
Yeah.
And that was 7. Oh, the other way. That was 4.
1.
4 to 1. 75%. Good?
Uh-huh.
Fingers to your side here. Look at your lower back and hips. That was 8. That was really high.
4. It's still tight, but
50%.
4. Yeah.
64.
4.
4.
4. Yeah.
Good. 4.
Okay, this one was really high.
Look at
This
that.
one I can still feel pain.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Like 6.
6. Okay. Backwards.
8 before.
That was 8.
5.
All right. Overall,
I could bend farther.
yeah, more flexibility.
Yeah.
So overall, did we help you today?
Yes, Doc. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Doc.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Thank
My
you.
pleasure.
Thank
Good,
you.
Good.
You helped me.
Yeah, yeah. So that's what
By a
I'm
lot.
here for. To help you perform better,
Yes.
less pain, less discomfort.
Yes.
Cool.
Hi guys, I'm Dennise Lazaro of the Chocomucho Flying Titans. I'm a professional athlete and today is my first session with Doc Kim. It's my first ever chiropractic session and I must say I feel relieved, I feel lighter, less stiff and less tight in my shoulder area, my back area, even my pelvic area is a lot better than when I first arrived. So please, if you're feeling any tightness or pain, come on over and visit Doc Kim here at BGC Stopover.